A new patient has arrived in our data recovery lab, the Seagate Exos 2 X14 Mach.2 hard drive. This drive is very unique due to its dual actuator technology. Let's take a look inside. After removing the welded top cover and the screws from the inner cover, we open the drive. This drive uses multi-actuator technology with two independent actuators inside a single enclosure. The two actuators operate independently from each other, accessing different areas of the drive in parallel for improved performance. We continued disassembling the drive so we could take a closer look at the heads. This model is new, and this is our first time working on this type of drive, so we still haven't developed a head replacement tool for it. Because of that, we removed the head assembly completely freehand. The next step is removing the middle magnet. The magnets inside this drive are extremely powerful and require great caution. A quick magnet test to verify polarity. Each side of this magnet has opposite poles. The complex magnetic field is essential for precise control and sophisticated head operation. After removing the middle magnet, we gained access to the lower head assembly. Both head assemblies look identical. However, the connectors on these two head assemblies are different. The upper assembly connector has contacts only on one side and connects to the lower head assembly connector. The lower assembly uses a double-sided connector with contacts on both sides. These provide the connection between the upper head assembly and the hard drive PCB. This is what the head slider on this drive looks like under a microscope. In the next video, we'll show whether we managed to recover data from this two-headed beast. Mach.2 is the first hard drive technology with two independent actuators that enable simultaneous data transfer. Seagate sees Mach.2 as an important step toward the future of data storage and the development of even faster and larger hard drives. If you have a high-capacity hard drive and cannot access important data, welcome to HelpDisc.